Today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can preserve a dead creature, and in this case we are going to preserve this dead chameleon. I've had it for several years. So for that you're going to need an old phone case, sellotape, resin and hardener. So to begin with, we are going to prepare our mold, which is in form of this phone case. So just using your blade, just strip the edge, the corners, cut the corners straight through. So we are going to carefully start by applying our sellotape on the phone case. This is to prevent the resin from sticking. So using the sellotape, just seal it off. We're going to mix in our resin mixture. So in that case we're going to need hardener and the resin. I normally mix 125 ml of resin and 5 ml of the hardener. So once you have your resin ready and your hardener, as soon as you press it in, start stirring and make sure you give it a stir for around 2 minutes. Pour half a centimeter of resin, just enough to cover the bottom. And once you've done that, let it sit for 1 hour to completely heal. So after 1 hour of healing time, you can see that the bottom layer has completely dried up. Now we are going to mix another portion of resin. So after you mix your resin, now you're going to carefully place your animal specimen inside, and you center it according to your preference. Then you're going to gently pour in your resin, ensuring that your animal specimen has been covered up completely. Okay, then after you've done that, just set it to dry for another 1 hour.